Okay, next we're going to go ahead and take a look at a question that has to do with the personal financial literacy. John works at his uncle's video store. He earns $9 an hour. Last week he worked 40 hours and earned $360. His paycheck was for only $332. How much money did John pay in deductions last week? We're trying to figure out how much did he pay in deductions last week? Now, we've talked about in class, when we see the word deductions, we're talking about things that are subtracted from gross pay. Gross pay would be your total earnings. John works at his uncle's video store. He earns $9 an hour. Last week he worked 40 hours and earned $360. This $360, since it's what he earned, is his gross pay. However, his paycheck was for only $332. His paycheck was for $332. When we're talking about his paycheck, most of the time we're dealing with the net pay. You get the net. That's the money you actually get to take home. So we know that we have $360. We know that our net income, our net pay is $332. What we don't know is our deductions. Since they're the same labels, we know we're going to either add or subtract. In order to decide which one, we're going to use the part-whole strategy. Now, do we know the whole? In this situation, that's his entire income or his gross income. And we do. That's $360. The next question, do we know a part of the income? In this case, we're lucky and we do. We know that his net income is his $332 that he gets on his paycheck. What we're trying to find is this missing part right here, the deductions. Whenever you're looking for a missing part, you subtract. So we're going to set our numbers up over here. 360 minus 332. We're going to start trying to subtract. We can't do 0 minus 2. We regroup. 10 minus 2 is 8. 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. So we find that his total deductions out of his paycheck were $28.